God damn, man.
Driving with the hood up.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For those new, thank you guys for tuning in. We're here at OC Bangerz. It's Tuesday night, and it's just packed. It's fully unpacked, fully on cars. This is one of the reasons why I don't come to meets anymore. Got my son in the back, but yeah, it's fully unpacked. We're on the other side of the parking spot. It's just crazy.
I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.
Alright, fam, so we just found a parking spot. Took about, what, 20 minutes? But I mean, it's pretty dope. There's still cars looking for a parking spot. I decided not to be a dick and park forward, not to the side, so it's the parking spot. This is the first time coming to OC Bangerz, and it is a banger.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loot. This a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone.
So the meet started about an hour ago, and there's still people coming in. It's still busy. It's still a banger. Let's see. Exotic? Yeah. Damn, beautiful, man.
Nice baby.
Thank you, man. I replaced my paper for a baby, man.
I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna 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 turn it up and then I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. give it to me like I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna 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 turn it up and turn it up and turn it up. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Give it to me like, give it to me like, give it to me.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my throat. This a war zone.
Yeah, they're lost. They started white body.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my throat. This a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. Feel the impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill them all, feel the motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I'll be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop. Yo, it's a war zone, homies.
Alright fam, I'm gonna call it a night. We just went around everybody. You guys can see all the cars and stuff. We're gonna start revving, so we gotta get out of here for the cops show up. And I'm impressed because I haven't seen a single Supra. Skyline's a lot, but not a Supra. Anyways, stay tuned. Bro, you rev a little bit? Can you rev a little? Yeah, man. Alright guys, the meet was definitely a banger. It was actually really cool. You know, huge shout out to every one of you from the meet, guys. Cars were really dope. I was really impressed I haven't seen a Supra though. That's what I was really surprised. But other than that, I mean, we saw the Skylines, we saw the GTR, I mean, we saw 8.6 Hondas. I mean, we saw pretty much, I mean, even the Miata. I mean, honestly, I like the part that I got to see some Accords too. It's the first time I'm actually seeing a Accord, you know, a modified bag and stuff. That was pretty cool too, you know. I'm all into sedans. I do like the sport cars too, you know. I know at the beginning of the video I said I don't like going to meets, and it is true, you know. I mean, I do appreciate them, I do respect them, and once I'm there and I'm parked and I'm walking around seeing the cars, I enjoy the time, you know. But once getting there, I mean, yeah, it is good to be there early. I mean, I thought that maybe getting 30 an hour after it would be okay, but it was packed. People were still trying to come in. It was definitely a banger. Huge shout out to OC Bangerz. I know they always have their meets every Tuesday. Stay up, check their IG so you can know their next meet. I know this was collaboration with the Yakuza OC chapter team. Huge shout out to them. Huge shout out to Yakuza team also. Dope cars. The design on the hood was something that I saw on social media a while back, and seeing it in person was really dope. Shout out to all of you guys. I saw a car from, I believe, the corrupt concepts, I believe it is. Yeah, saw him too. So really dope meet, you know. I saw a couple Camrys too. A couple people messaged me and everything. So that was good. And yeah, I mean, my son approved. I don't know why he likes cars with mufflers and sounds. In case you all know that. He's definitely my son. So huge shout out to everyone, you know. Shout out to all of you guys. This was definitely a banger. Definitely coming back early next time for sure. Alright fam, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you guys, you know, seen your car here in this video, you know, if you guys want to shout out anything, you know, leave a comment down below, or you can always message me through my Instagram. Anywho's guys, I'll catch you guys on the next time. And like I always say, It's not just about the car. So stay sexy out there, fam. Until next time.